Hello, welcome. My name is Phung Tran, a design study student at RMIT Vietnam. Today, I'm here to sharing about my personal experience and feelings about the time that I have been working with the CDS Air workshop. At the same time, the things that I have been learned through the workshop will be presented. First, when I received the announcement that 3 RMIT campus gonna be gathering and work together at the last week of semester, which made me feel a bit of surprise and mixed feeling. Honestly, I was a little bit worried, and then I asked myself that can I do it better or not? However, once I got into the process and creating the product, I completely forgot that question and tried my best instead. My enthusiasm and spirit of wanting to connect with my international partner help me complete my task as well as how I communication with them. So my team have 5 members, including 2 people from RMIT Vietnam, 1 person from Barcelona, and 2 students from Australia. When we received the topic and the group divisions from lecturers, we got to know each other from the peer introductions, and we take time to talk together about the time zone where the member live to plan the most effective way. Although there are many differences in understanding the member strength, because everyone have the different journey of study. So in general, we try to reaching our best to developing our idea together. Then here's the 3 things that I have been learned through the experience. First, how to collaborate with international students. Through working, I have learned that how to allocate the time and manage my task so everything can be timely to meet the deadline. This also helped me better understand and respect the working style of each person in the team. As this happens, I have the opportunity to experience some new skills too, especially create new scripting, filming, and editing the video for my final product, and finally conducting a workshop. And see ya! Bye!